Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're back in Cherokee County, North Carolina, on a concurrency of US 74 East and US Highways 19 and 129 North. We were stopped in traffic here for several minutes due to an accident at the upcoming intersection. We're right on the edge of the town of Andrews, and this is the last of what resembles a town that we'll see for this entire video. Shortly, we'll be driving along a road that winds along the Nantahala River. There's a 10-mile stretch where there's nothing but a few whitewater rafting launch locations and picnic areas, and at some points the surrounding foliage almost resembles jungle. I guess it helps that we were nearing the end of spring when everything was fully grown and green. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Here we lose the concurrency with US Highway 129 as it makes its way north towards the tail of the dragon, which we covered in a video last year. We enter Macon County here, which has an estimated population of 35,285. Macon County, along with Swain County, is the home of the Nantahala River. The Nantahala is one of the most popular whitewater rafting destinations in the nation. We enter Swain County, which has an estimated population of 14,245 as of 2018. If you keep an eye on the right-hand side of the screen, you can catch glimpses of the Nantahala River and rafters on the river. We'll see a few buses that haul people and rafts upriver to different launches. The surrounding area is the Nantahala National Forest. The word Nantahala is Cherokee and means land of the noonday sun. The river runs through a narrow and steep gorge where in some areas the sun reaches the ground only when it's directly overhead during the middle of the day. We conclude our video here near the unincorporated community of Wesser. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.